No. Gun business. Hey, Sleepy Melody and Super Tight. How that sound?
Yeah, man.
Yes, man. Hey, from now on, you're going to take orders from me. See? Now you're going to report here 4:30 tomorrow. All right? Sharp! That's one. Sleep Melody and Super Tight.
Don't worry yourself, Dan, man. Going to be a boom show.
Yeah, so see you tomorrow in New York. Same.
Ease. Sellington, sending them two jokers to me now.
Poopa Ripper.
No respect and tribulation, my brother.
So what the mama say? You know, remember me?
From where?
Spoonface did introduce you to me one long time, man. That is my sparring P.
No respect.
So what we can do for?
Well, Spoonface, they tell us that we talk to you about way. And that we could come down and come do this audition type thing, you know?
No respect.
Yeah.
I want to sound the name again.
Well, that there is Super Tight. Straight from Jackass Pass.
No respect.
And Sleepy Melody, truly.
So what want to do? Sing, DJ, dub poetry hour.
Well, me sing and the Super DJ.
You don't have any recording?
No recording.
Contract?
Track? No, we not a track record. We only have recording. LP and 48.
45.
So, you don't have no record at all, contract?
I'm going from primary school. We used to have the record for 400 meters.
8 track.
You never carried to that. Those things that we could have just come and flash it live.
Flash it! Live and direct. You know what live and direct mean? It mean live and direct. No respect.
Yeah.
So, you don't have any song on radio?
Holy!
Any popular one?
All of them popular.
What them name?
Which one?
Anyone? Well, the most popular one.
What name again, Sleepy?
No respect.
No respect. You must know that one there.
Play on radio every day, man.
Every station.
Program on every radio, man. Morning, noon, and night.
All on the calling show them.
Yeah.
You call it talk show?
Yeah, people calling and talk about it.
Yeah.
How it go?
Go?
Hey, go. Sing a piece of me here now.
Well,
you see, we never come to deal with that one there. So them lyrics in a program, you know?
Scene.
Oh, that's spontaneous. Me love DJ who's spontaneous. Me no love DJ who take a year to make up lyrics who want like a full song. Come.
Poopa Ripper.
No respect.
Yes. With spontaneous bad.
All right. You are just going at it straight. You are just make it up on the spot.
Right on the spot.
No problem, man. No problem. Hey.
No respect.
Yeah.
You ready, Father Ripper?
Poopa Ripper.
Poopa Ripper, you ready?
Go now.
You ready, Super Tight?
Every time.
Oh, flash it.
all nice and decent people. This one called Panis Pat. Come down, Sleepy Melody.
No, man. You come down first. No, just chippy. Come down.
Come down. Come in night again, Sleepy Melody.
Mister, if you come down, man.
Come down with what?
With lyrics.
No, but you have to come down with Melody first.
Me are the leader, man. And if me say you have to come down, you have to just come down.
Yo. Tell you what I wanna do. Forget it. See? Just leave the studio.
No, wait.
We're not joking.
Wait.
Papa, we have a sure shot, man.
Yes, Father Ripper.
Poopa Ripper.
Yes, Popes.
Easy, man.
Voilà. I wanna come here,
Come here for cut a tune, still.
Enough respects.
For cut a tune. What kind of tune?
A wicked #1, sure shot.
Yeah, man.
#1.
Yeah.
You have a demo tape?
No. See if you have any channel tape.
Easy, man. Demo tape, the man say, man. No, we think so we could have just flash it live, man.
Flash it! Enough respect.
So the thing you can remember it?
Yeah, man. We rehearse it for the whole week, man. Oh, never want going at it, so still, because we have enough of the producers, them thief.
Man, tune. Yeah.
And true.
A thief not call me thief.
No, Papa.
No, Daddy
Who
Ripper.
could I call you that, man? You don't do that, man. You're big Dan, man.
Yeah. Enough respect.
Well, go night if you're not going night.
Going night concert.
Yeah. Ready, super tape?
Every time.
All right.
Special request and popular demand to the man called. Why your name again?
Poopa Ripper.
Poopa Ripper. This one called Santa version. Lift it to a Sleepy Melody.
Yeah. I saw Mama
I can't deal with the copyright problem. Yo. You see when you sing over other people's music, you see the whole of the money with the record, me?
Yeah.
The whole like just go in a royalty.
Who could have royalty for Christmas carol?
The man them will write it.
Same to me, I tell you, Sleepy.
It's all right, man, all right. What if you change a word and make it sound like a new song?
Yeah.
All right. Try that.
All right.
Come in nice again, Sleepy
Yeah, man.
Melody.
Yeah. I saw Granny kissing Santa Claus.
Chumman, do better than that. You say you kiss up me granny, say you kiss up me granny. You kiss, that's me granny.
No. We're not gonna deal with the slackness. The public not buy slackness no more, boss.
Slackness?
Yes. The kiss up business. That not gonna work. And moreover, me's a man who love my granny. Well on. You don't respect your granny.
No respect.
Let's try something else.
Come down with some clean lyrics, Titus.
Yo. What it come?
You kiss up me. No, cut.
You can't ride with him.
No, we don't come again. We don't come again.
Can't ride, man.
Play rhythm. Come, ready?
I saw Auntie hugging up Santa Claus underneath the
lucky tree last night. I say you hug up me auntie say